So here's another quick video for you guys. I picked this thing up probably within the past year, and I remember I got it on sale for the amazing price of $5. At that price, I just had to pick this thing up because this is what's called a toothless or gearless ratchet, meaning when you turn it or use it as normally, there's no ratcheting inside it. Unlike a normal ratchet, which of course is going to make noise, and actually has a directional switch here that you can see where you're going. Unfortunately, with this one, once you start using it, you don't know which way it's going to start turning. It doesn't tell you any different. So that is my main and really my only annoyance with it. It is a little bit to get used to, surprisingly. Just not having those gears to hear when you're using it. But these spline sockets, I kind of have mixed opinions about. I've used them and I haven't really had much of an issue with them, but I don't think they really hold up well to any sort of stress or torque on them. I mean, I wouldn't be using an electric torque gun with it, but I don't think if you were to put a whole bunch of pressure on these, I don't think that they would hold on whatever fastener you're trying to use them on. And these spline sockets are junk, by the way. It seems to be a decent enough tool as far as the machining goes. 607403 is the part number, patent pending. Interestingly, there isn't any country of manufacture on it, but I think on the back here it says it's made in China. Not much of a surprise, though I suppose if it said it was, if this was a Taiwanese tool, it would have made in Taiwan stamped somewhere on it, because that's the way the rest of their Taiwan tools are from Lowe's, Cobalt. But these, the Chinese ones, from what I've seen, typically don't have them stamped on the tool themselves. But of course you get the hassle-free lifetime guarantee, which I do have videos about, and I have had good luck with Lowe's warranting their stuff. I claim this thing is direct drive. And the sockets for life thing is kind of a gimmick. It's not really worth it. I remember I looked into it in the past. I don't know if it's changed or not, but when I looked into it, basically it allows you, if you lose a socket, Lowe's will essentially give you another socket, but you have to do it through their website. I don't think you can do it through the store, and you have to pay for shipping. So I think there's it's either $5.99 or $7.99 just to ship it, and it's actually a lot cheaper just to go buy the single socket from Lowe's if you lose one. But that is kind of an annoyance with these, and consequently that socket for life program. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Honestly, I've only used this thing as much as I have because it's already got all the sockets in this tray, and I haven't moved the ratchet from the tray. This is how I store it. So it is kind of nice to bring it around, and if I got to go outside and take a part off a lawnmower or engine or something, I can just take this with me and I'm good to go. But stay tuned for more.